Alright guys, check this out. So I was at the grocery store and I saw this in the health aisle. So I had to get it for you guys to do a review. So this is Judy G's gluten-free pizza. And if you guys saw my previous videos, you'll see that I did a review on Daya, but this is a different brand. And kind of surprised, they also have gluten-free, but take a look here. Gluten-free, egg-free, and that is soy-free. Yeah, which is actually kind of neat. So take a look at the ingredients here. So they do also have one that is dairy-free as well, but this one isn't, which is surprising. But they also have a different brand, I believe. If you see, there's a whole bunch of different ones that they have. There's a dairy-free version. This one was dairy-free that I saw. Actually, reading this, surprisingly, it has a little bit of dairy in this, which is actually kind of interesting. So, but here's the ingredients, guys. If you guys want to pause the video, watch that there. So let's open this up and I'll show you what it looks like. This is what the pizza looks like. So it's a little different than the Daya. So they basically vacuum seal it. Yeah. So I'm going to cook it up and do a quick taste test for you. And I'll be back. Alright, so here is the pizza. Let's see if it looks like that. It's close. It's close. Let's do a quick taste test. I just got it right out of the oven. Let's see what that looks like, guys. It's a shame it's not totally dairy-free. But I will take a small bite to give you guys a quick rundown of what it tastes like. Hopefully that's good enough. Then I can break it. Just give me 1 second. Alright, so here it is. I got a piece of it. It's cool. It's actually quite good. It tastes like a regular pizza. I wish it was totally dairy-free, but it's not. Which is actually kind of a shame because the sauce is actually quite good. The toppings are decent, just like any other pizza. Definitely check it out, guys. If you're looking for a different alternative or a healthier alternative. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.